Should we bring some dish soap? Like, what if I want cereal in the evening and then I want cereal in the morning?
Just wash the cup out.
With just water? Okay, I can do that. Oh, what about just for the s'mores? I guess that's where the napkins come in.
Yeah.
Am I forgetting anything? Just spoons. That's all we need, right?
Yeah.
We'll just take actual spoons. These are my only 4 spoons, y'all. We better not lose these. Oh, we got one plastic.
I like how Loki might have some hand vlogs. I'm already hot and sweaty. Is it a little shell?
Yes, and it says love grows here.
I don't need it. I need it. I'm hungry.
I'll take 4 regular spoons and 1 plastic spoon just in case.
Just in case we have a guest.
Hopefully there's no guest.
Yeehaw. What button?
It was like
It
this,
says
the AC button.
Well, she's been. Oh my gosh. I thought that's what we were getting.
They're 99 cents.
Oh.
Like, it's too weird that they're 99 cents. I just get one, right?
Yeah, because there's like, what, 8 in there?
4, 6, 8.
I don't want no more than.
Just get one? This is $1.
Wait, how many are you going to eat?
I don't know, probably 2.
How many are you going to eat?
Probably 2. I'll eat 2.
Ew. Chicken and pork? Vlog. We got the weenies. They're getting the cereal. We got to get the chips. I'm very overstimulated. My AC turned off in my car. It's been going in and out. I don't know what's wrong with it. Hopefully it'll be fine the whole way over there. If not, I think I might crash out. Not crash the car, but just crash out. Look at my scar. Oh, it looks bad.
We're on an adventure to look at stuff. It's what we're good at.
Walk back to my favorite place.
I'm trying to stay in the shade.
Oh, sorry.
Look at that. That looks so cute.
It's Freakier Friday?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a new one.
Yeah. This is like a legit one in here.
Can we go into the box office?
But yeah,
Are they open? Sometimes small towns like this remind me of that movie. I think it's called Wrong Turn, where it's like a couple of friends and they're going on like I think it's literally like a camping trip into the woods. But anyways, they stop at like a small town gas station and it's kind of run down. Is this too loud for you? Sorry. And I think about how, I don't know if you've seen the movie Vlog, but the 2 owners, they're brothers, and they have like really jacked up faces because they're like half-breeds. No, not half-breeds. What is it called? Inbreds. Incest. Yeah. Inbreds from incest. And so like they're like all distorted or whatever, and they end up killing the people.
The hills have eyes?
No. Wrong Turn. And anyways, I was telling the vlog how every time I'm in a small town, I feel like I'm in that movie. Either that movie or on a long road like this,
she was originally the only one getting in the water.
I wasn't in
Oh,
I didn't know
Jason.
Yeah.
I forgot how to stop this.
My pookies. It's a vlog, we made it. Look at the hills behind you.
When do you start school? You want to help bring down the chairs?
No.
Talk to him. We're here, vlog. We're getting the chairs out. Where's the stream? What? Oh, they need help.
I don't know where
It's up there still.
You think if I smack it?
I think you might get stung.
It's fine.
No, just
No,
try
it's
to
not fine.
do it.
It's
out.
behind you. It's above
behind you.
Right here. Just grab it with the blanket.
No.
Grab it with the blanket.
It's in the corner.
Where?
Oh, it's over here now.
I guess we should have put it on before. Okay, Jathan, after camp what?
When we were at the aquarium.
Yeah. Let's go. Okay, vlog.
Look, there's one, like, there's two right here that are that big. You see this one right here? Oh, this one right there.
I need to put it right.
Hey, vlog. We're on an adventure to catch water. It does look like amoeba water. Vlog.
Dark chocolate peanut
This is the-
almond.
This is the
I
third.
have just regular peanut.
This is
I
the.
have a whole bunch of beef sticks, grass-fed, zero sugar.
This is the third time.
I have a whole bunch of Nutri-Grain, strawberry, and I have a whole bunch of peanut butter crackers.
This is the third time she's called out that whole list of snacks.
And I have Jason's orange. And Jason's water.
You know, I'm always having good posture.
Yes. Ew.
Oh, I love Sarah's mom. Mom money. Pink. Oh. Oh. This net is so baby.
Oh my gosh. Oh, this is hot sand.
It's not that hot. It could be way more hot.
We just beat Jathan and Smart in volleyball 2 times. 2 times.
Make happen.
What? He's lying on my name right now. Yours.
Vlog, I lost my glasses. But there, I found them. I was actually excited to go back to my old lenses. Let me tell y'all about my papa. So we start on the fire? Yay!
Fire! Fire!
Yep.
Fire!
I'll start.
I think that's good. I don't know if it's gonna start. One was a dog, one was
Oh, I thought you were already roasting yours.
Yeah, I wish I was.
Y'all don't feel that?
what, the aura? You're about to get busted.
No, technically Smart.
Yeah, so you can
Smart, don't hit mine, girl. You're doing too
You
much.
gotta
of
rotate it. Rotate.
Yes,
Hip it.
because you don't want your
Hip it.
dough to be wet.
What up, vlog? Look at our fire. Can you see it? Can you see it? We're walking back to the camp right now. We just ate dinner. I don't know if you saw. We had pigs in a blanket, campfire style. And now I think we're gonna make s'mores, and then maybe we'll go night exploring. I'm excited.
Other people, what is that?
Like one civilian. Like you're not actually an astronaut right now.
The moon is so bright.
Oh, nothing.
I feel like I'm creating a potion or something. 2319. 2319. Hey vlog. We're getting ready to pack up. I think it's like 10:30 right now. There was a crying baby all night. Literally all night. It's okay though. Yeah, we're getting ready to pack up. Super hot, super sweaty. It's 10:30 and it's like 100 degrees outside. How did that happen? Yeah. That's it. I ate cereal this morning.
I wish I had tweezers for you. With you?
Yes.
Look at their firewood right there.
I have firewood at every single day.
I kind of want a sody.
What's your vlog?
Yeah, I'm on the phone. We have 15 minutes to Jathan's house. And then probably 30 or 40 minutes to my house. And then I'm going to take a nap. But right now we're at Circle K. No, Circle K. I kind of want a sody. But I also kind of don't want a sody. But also I kind of feel like I need a sody. But yeah, that's what's up right now. We're emptying out the...
I'm just dumping this out right here.
We're just emptying it out right here. Dumping it out. All the water.
Oh, my seat's all wet.
Oh, her seat's all wet. Why was it leaking out?
Because there's just so much water. It's leaking out just to the top. This bag's all wet. Sorry, Miss Amanda.
What's up, vlog? We just dropped off the baby. The other baby, the tall one.
What? I'm not the tall baby.
Vlog, look at Kemi not wearing her seatbelt.
Cameron, Megan.
I don't think if we were to get into a car accident, I would fly through that window.
I think you would.
I don't think I would.
I think you can.